Perceptions in Culture, Dorothy W. Lehman, Colorado Christian University, Psychology 202, May 12th, 2019. What is web-based social cognition? Web-based social cognition is the perception we have of ourselves and others based on limited information directly related to the person and their social page, i.e., Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. Culture relates to our perceptions of others and ourselves by how accurate or inaccurate our culture views others and ourselves. These perceptions can vary from one culture to another. For instance, if you are from a warm culture and move to a cold culture, or if you move from a free country to a communist country, your perception of that other culture may change once you have moved to that culture. I have chosen to do by compare and contrast with the people of India and the people of the United States. In India, the feet are considered unclean. You must take off your shoes when you enter a place of worship or someone's home. Never point your feet at anyone or anything. It may be offensive to them. In America, you can leave your shoes on, and it does not matter where your toes are pointing. Don't expect to grab a burger. While you're in India, cows are sacred, and they do not eat any part of the cow. Personal space. Try not to get overly physically friendly while you are in the country. No excessive hugging while in public. In India, the hand is considered unclean, the left hand, and you should not eat or point with this hand. In America, you can eat and point with whichever hand you choose, but in India, eating or pointing with the left hand is offensive. Hand gestures, waving side to side, as if to say hello, could mean something like go or no if you are in India. In India, you may see a swastika, and it means something completely different in India than it does in the United States. In India, it has a spiritual meaning and existed long before it was a symbol of Nazi Germany. If you ever visit India, you'll probably hear the word namaste very often. This word is spoken and often a gesture with it. This is the common hello or goodbye. It also means the God in my heart greets the God in yours. Some things that surprised me, one was the left-handed gestures. I would never have known because in America you can point and eat with whichever hand you choose, left or right. Another thing that surprised me was the word or gesture namaste. I had no idea that the people of India had a custom that translated to the God in my heart greets the God in yours. The last thing that surprised me was that if you're late, you're on time. Believe it or not, being exactly on time can actually be interpreted as rude. In America, it's rude to be late, but in India, it is rude to be on time, and being late within 30 minutes is normally okay. Yes, this research has changed my perception about the people of India and their culture. I knew the religions were Hindus and Buddhist, and that you should dress modestly well in this country, and that you should not eat burgers or cows because they are very sacred. But that is about all I knew.